Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear vascular colleague. This is the lecture number 6 in the AI and the machine learning course for doctors and vascular surgeons. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. You're all welcome to join this free online course. If you just scan this QR code, you will be enrolled into the course. Now, today I'm going to discuss a very interesting development in artificial intelligence and research. Whenever you are reading a paper, you always are interested to ask the author of this paper many questions. Now, we have a AI program which is called a Chat.doc.com, and this artificial intelligence program really offers a huge amount of advantage to vascular surgeon reading papers. I will show you the steps how you can upload your paper, start to put question, get an answer. It's really amazing how you study well the document using this facility. Here is the website. It's called Chat.doc.com. Artificial intelligence. If you put on Google, and this is the initial screen, you will get mentioned chat with document, get instant answer with cited sources. So when you go to any browser you have and you put https /chatdoc.com, you will get this page. You need to log on. It's just free. You can open account free with this document. It explains roughly what it will do, but you can just get started right away. So when you press on get started, you will be diverted to this page, which is by Chat.doc. When you open the page, you will see you can upload the paper that you will be discussing, and you will be asking questions. It's very easy. You can just click the icon and you select the paper, which paper you want to upload, and you select the paper according to what you have. And let us see, this is a very nice paper about the result of endovascular management of visceral artery aneurysm from Journal of Vascular Surgery, August 2023. Now you can see when you drag the document, it will upload the document. When uploading the document, it might take a couple of minutes, and then it will analyze by artificial intelligence. You can see now it takes a little bit of time to, let us say, the artificial intelligence will start reading the paper, analyzing the data, and he will put to you these 3 sections. First sections is just the heading in previous paper from your account. Second section here is the paper, and here is the third section. Well, this paper, I selected one of the paper I was just reading recently, which is a single center. They reviewed visceral artery aneurysm in the last 8 or 9 years, and they have found that they were 94% successful. Only 4 cases they were not successful, and it seems that it was a safe alternative to open surgery for visceral artery aneurysm. This is very recent paper. I have uploaded to Chat.doc, and let us ask some questions. And you can put your question here. Let us say, what is the importance of this paper? You know, in a lot of exam, you are asked to read the paper and criticize the paper and see the strengths and weakness of this paper. So I've asked the Chat.doc what is the importance, and let us read it. The importance of this paper is that it provides valuable insight into the safety and efficacy of the endovascular repair, which is absolutely right, absolutely correct. Not only that, but it will mention where it has got the answer. It got the answer here by the article highlight, where they summarize what this article really have to do. And let us say, for example, what research strategy has been followed in this paper? I know it's a single retrospective study, but we'll see what it will answer. This is the answer. You see, it comes dramatically quick within a couple of seconds. So the research strategy in this paper is a single center retrospective cohort study, and it mentions all the rest, which is really very nice. Okay, let us say, what is the success rate in these cases? And these cases, I mean the 74 cases that has been done. It actually got it absolutely right. It's 94.5% correct. You can ask as if you are speaking to the author of the paper. This is a very important development in artificial intelligence. You can discuss the article, discuss the paper. You can actually verify the data analysis, all with citation, as if you are speaking to the author. I would advise you to use a Chat.doc in most of the papers that you read. It is open source, free of charge. It uses a ChatGPT language model number 4. And it's really fantastic. Let us say, can you analyze the data? It can import the data from the document, and it can do analysis of that document and explain how it has done this analysis. Let us go there. Yes, the data presented in this article can be analyzed. The studies collected demographic data of 72 patients and the estimated 7-year survival rate, Kaplan-Meier curve, and it mentioned actually where it got this answer from this paper. And you can push correct answer, because this will improve this language model for further development. So this is extremely interesting forward tool that help all vascular surgeons in order to read a document very well, and you can analyze it, you can discuss it with the author, and you can really get an exquisite result. And I hope with this tool of artificial intelligence to vascular surgeons and doctors in general to be a helpful tool. You can discuss the paper, you can put your question, what you don't understand, and you will be amazed with the amount of reply. It's as if you are speaking to the author right away. We'll continue with our Python coding over the next few lectures to develop the program that will diagnose COVID on a chest X-ray and to diagnose pneumonia on a chest X-ray, and how you can develop artificial intelligence Python model to help you to do that. Thank you very much. I hope this 10 minutes quick recap about recent development of AI in the field of vascular surgery and field of medicine is helpful to you. I wish you all the best.